Number 5. Bridgestone Potenza Sport. Tired of slipping in rain or quick wear? The Bridgestone Potenza Sport grips the road with confidence. Its deep grooves channel out water fast, while 3D sipes and peak life tread ensure long-lasting traction. Built for control, comfort, and durability, it's backed by a 50,000-mile warranty. At $214, it's performance you can count on, mile after mile. Number 4. Goodyear Eagle F1. Losing grip on corners? The Goodyear Eagle F1 keeps you in command. Its double tread system provides superior traction on both wet and dry roads. Corner grip technology boosts stability, while the built-in rim protector prevents curb damage. At $189, it's a smart blend of control, safety, and value for any driver. Number 3. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Want pure performance and control? The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S delivers. With precise steering response and excellent cornering grip, it's built for speed and confidence. Its vehicle-specific design ensures stability and strength under pressure. At $263, this tire defines premium performance and everyday driving thrill. Number 2. Continental Sport Contact 7. Short tread life? Not anymore. The Continental Sport Contact 7 offers track-level grip with long-lasting durability. Its adaptive tread design maintains traction in both wet and dry conditions. Confident, precise, and built for high-speed control, it's a true driver's tire. At $292, it's engineered to perform and built to last. Number 1. Pirelli P0PZ5. Road noise and poor grip slowing you down? The Pirelli P0PZ5 fixes that. Its optimized tread reduces noise, while advanced rubber compounds boost braking and handling. Designed for high-performance cars, it blends luxury with stability. At $327, it's the ultimate mix of comfort, control, and power. Top 5 tires, each delivering unbeatable traction, handling, and comfort. No matter the road or weather, which one will you choose for your next upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. If there's a new product you want us to review, just write its name in the comments so we can feature it in a future video. Love smart car gear and honest reviews like this? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your guide to smarter car care.